Hi, welcome along to another MX5 Restorer update. Today, Roy and Jim are breaking a car. I'm fitting a tow bar. My ramp's being used for storage, and there's nothing on Jim's ramp. Right, so, sorry, what's your name?
Jack.
Jack. Got Jack with us today. He's a customer, just come to pick his car up.
Yep, very pleased.
Right, let's go and see what the guys are up to. So, again, it's had some brilliant, I'll tell you what, the pollen yesterday was absolutely so bad around here. I was sneezing all day. But the car park's still looking busy. It's a nice day though. Right, so let's go and see what they're up to.
I just had a random plate fall out.
So,
What the hell?
I've got rivets.
And so thick as that?
What's that from?
That was inside here. Just laying in
Oh, it's
there.
a previous repair.
Well, I don't know if I can call it repair.
So Roy, do you want to talk us through what you're doing with this one?
Yeah, it's coming for some rust works. We're just trying to find it at the moment. So, as you can see, we're doing quite well. Yeah, I think so.
So, what's Jim been doing around here? I must say, Jim, that's the sort of most energetic I've ever seen you.
I like the wood screws and random plates, which is what's this?
It's a riveted in plate, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not alone.
So this isn't a customer's car or anything. It's basically, well, it was a customer's car actually. Yeah, it was just deemed too bad to fix, and we're breaking it. So as you can see, engine is out, gearbox is out, diff is out, the suspension arms, no point keeping them because they were rusted so badly, rotten chassis rails. What else was rotten on this car?
Everything?
Another area where they go up here.
Nothing left on there. It's just rust.
Crusty.
Would you like to beat that up?
Yeah, let's have a go. Give the customers some one-on-one destruction. It's a bit holy there, isn't it? Thanks, Roy.
The fun part was off.
Well, I would say carry on, but I need to talk to I need to talk to see what's going on. Let them know what I've been doing. So this afternoon, I have been fitting a tow bar on the new works van. Well, it's not new; we've bought it second hand, but we needed a van to deliver, to pick up and drop off bits and pieces at the paint shop, and for other bits and pieces. Uses as well, so also to pull our trailer so we can pick cars up. It's a really clean van actually. It's got aircon, sat nav. It's the Renault version, but it's nice. The sport version, so rear parking sensors, sat nav, a few other luxuries. But yeah, I've just been fitting this tow bar in this afternoon. As you can see, just finished doing the electrics as well. Went in quite smoothly. There isn't really much else to talk about now, is there? Alright, you can carry on bashing that up in the background. So yeah, nothing else to really update. Anything on really. Yeah. Well, we'll see you in the next update. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.